Hello and welcome to PopScrap.com. Today we're going to take a look at our scale connectivity and how you can connect multiple scales to a single workstation. But keep in mind that PopScrap is one of the most reliable and affordable software solutions in the scrap and recycling industry. So whether you operate a metal scrap yard, auto salvage yard, whether you operate a California CRV center or a Hawaii High Five center, PopScrap really is so advanced that it's simple. It operates on Android phones, Android tablets, and computers. It's the same program. And of course, all of those are paired to an online back office. So let's jump into our program and take a look at our scales. From here, let's just take a look at some of our settings that we have for scales. And you'll notice that we can connect up to 9 scales per computer station. And so let's go ahead and look at that. We can assign a camera, we can assign a scale, and we have some different options. In the camera options, we actually have quite a bit of flexibility. We can use a phone camera, a tablet camera, if you choose that to be your workstation. You can choose an IP camera that's fixed over the top of your scale, and or you can affix a webcam, thereby dropping the overall cost of setting up your PopScrap system. Usually IP cameras run anywhere from about $400 to $1,000 depending on the camera type, and webcams run anywhere from about $10 to $100 depending on the web. So you can save quite a bit of money with our new webcam capabilities. Let's go back into the scale. From here, of course, you can tell that we can enable the scale support for the ticketing process, and we can select the scale head that we want to use, and then we can of course test the scale connectivity, and it shows you there that we've got currently 7.6 pounds on our scale. And so let's go ahead and go back over to scale number 2. Let's just make sure we've got it set up properly, and it looks like we're all set to go. Under scale options, of course, you can enable it to grab the gross weight or the tare weight, or both. And of course, you can enable the scale to be override, so that so employees cannot change the weights without a password protector. Let's go ahead and jump into a ticket real quick and just kind of take a look at that. Copper number 1. You'll notice that it instantly pulled the weight in for us, and instantly pulled the price from the system. And of course, if we accept the weight, then it automatically just took a picture as well. So capturing your image, capturing the weight is now automatic. And of course, from here, I have 12 preset price buttons. So if you needed to modify this price, you could simply click this button. It automatically changed it to $1.25, thereby changing it. Of course, we can go back and edit that if we need to. But let's go ahead and just grab it again, and let's go ahead and change the scale station number 2. You'll notice that it instantly changed my camera shot, instantly pulled from the scale, and I can accept that weight, take the image that I need to take, and or if I need to edit the price, I can click on that, and I can ask the manager, hey, can you come over and enter your password? We need to modify this price. This could be done at the cashier station or the scale station. But from this point, of course, we could then manually modify the price if they had a password. So it is password protected. So again, real quick, just pretty simple. Pulls the weight. We can, of course, change the scale station instantly from the scale. We have up to 9 scales to choose. We can add a note to the ticket if we need to add a note to each line item. And so quite a bit of flexibility, and pretty advanced for an Android application that runs on phones, tablets, and your Windows computer, which is what this video is taken with. So I hope you've really enjoyed the video, and remember, PopScrap, so advanced, it's simple.